Duit YouTube, Constatatu. How are we all? We're at the halfway mark. It's the 15th of November. I've got a hairdresser on side, so I have an appointment with them on the 28th, which kind of sucks, but you know, it's as soon as I could get them. Hopefully we'll get it a little sooner. Today it was a pretty good day. Went into town and got to see a few hairdressers, and they all said different things, but we've got one for the moment. I'll try a few more in the next coming days. I've got all this hair. I figured I might as well do something. So that's why I'm doing the Movember campaign. What else? I'm hopefully going to go and do some bouldering, which is like rock climbing but without all the ropes and everything. It's just a pair of shoes and chalk. So I have a couple of videos from my last day out there, out at the centre, but I might try and get a couple of completed videos and put them up soon on Thursday. I'm going climbing on Thursday, so hopefully I'll get a few up Thursday, Friday, see how it goes. Other than that, everything is pretty good. If you're feeling generous, please donate to the Movember campaign. I have a link down below as always. If you have any other ideas of videos you want to see me make, any questions you want answered, I don't know, I'll think of anything. I'll message me, comment me, and I'll try and put together something. Other than that, I look forward to getting the next video up, and I look forward to getting my hair done finally. So that's it, everyone. Gur agat, agus slán.